The GE GUD27ESSMWW Washer-Dryer Combo offers a spacious 3.8 cubic feet washer capacity and a 5.9 cubic feet dryer capacity, making it ideal for handling large laundry loads efficiently. This unit is 11 wash cycles, providing versatile options to cater to a variety of fabrics and soil levels, ensuring your clothes are cleaned with precision. With its stainless steel washer basket, the machine promises durability and longevity, resisting chips and nicks over time. The cycle status lights on the washer-dryer combo allow users to easily monitor the progress of their laundry, adding convenience to the washing experience. The sensing technology in the washer is a standout feature, as it automatically adjusts the water level based on the load size, optimizing water usage and ensuring effective cleaning. Crafted by GE, a trusted name in appliances, this model embodies quality and reliability, supporting your household tasks with ease and efficiency.